Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to another tutorial where I will show you how you can log in your WordPress account in case you get kicked out because of a plugin or I cannot log in, as you can see on the screen, because of a plugin called WordPress. It asks me to enter a code, but as you can see, it doesn't give me any chance to enter another code because it's broken, and I need to disable that plugin. And now I will show you how you can enter and disable the plugin, or how you can log in without needs of entering any password or username, especially if you forgot your username, or if you get kicked out because of broken plugin, as you can see. So, first thing that you need to do is you need to log in to your hosting provider. In my case, I'm using Namecheap, and then you need to go to cPanel. On cPanel, as you can see, you need to search for WordPress. Here is WordPress, and here is my WordPress installation. You can see over here all the details of my installation, and the WordPress also, the domain name also, as you can see. And if you click on this little icon, as you can see, login as admin, you will log into your account without using any password or any username. Just by clicking into this little icon, you will be logging to WordPress.com. So that's the first solution, as you can see here on that one. And now I'm logged in without any password or user. The second solution that I will show you is we will go and disable the plugin inside inside our hosting file. So look for file in cPanel, look for file, and then file manager. In the file manager, go to public HTML like this, and then search for WP contents, and then search for plugins like this. And in my case, the plugin that are causing me problem is WordPress, this plugin. As you can see, I cannot log in. Let's see, it's blocking me. WordPress is blocking me. And what I will do is, let's search for my file. What I will do is I will break the connection of this plugin. I will break this plugin by renaming the file, because renaming the file, the name of the plugin will break the plugin, and the plugin will not work anymore. So now, as you can see, I removed the plugin name. Now the plugin will not work anymore, and let's try now. Now you can see I'm logging fine, everything works great, and the plugin is not working anymore. So I hope this tutorial is helping anyone to solve this kind of problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help or any other video requests, send me on email. You'll find my email in the description, or just send me a comment in this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.